Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve system with the error code 6118 has occurred in command prompt. Like any other computer process, that netview command is not immune to errors. One error that network administrators occasionally encounter is system error 6118 has occurred. This error signifies that the command could not fetch a list of servers from the master browser. And several factors can contribute to this issue includes misconfigured firewall settings, incorrect firewall configurations, improper network settings, or services and disabled computer browser service. And then I'll show you possible solutions to fix this issue. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable responsible services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And then once you open up here at run command, so here inbox, and then you need to type this command, a keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up here at services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this services computer browser service. So you need to scroll down and find and locate that. And then once you find already this computer browser service, so all you have to do is to select, and then you need to double click and then pop up here at general properties. So here now at startup type, and then we need to modify. So click this arrow and select this automatic, and then next step, and then you need to click this apply, and then click OK. And then after that, and the next command service that we need to modify is to find and locate this function discovery provider host services. So we need to scroll down and find and locate again that service. And then once you find already this function discovery provider host service, so same procedure, select, and then you need to double click and then open this general properties. So same procedure at startup type, and then click this arrow and then select this automatic, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after here a services, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to configure network settings. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here we need to type this control panel, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at control panel, and then we need to modify by clicking this view by category, and then click that arrow, and you need to select large icons to see all settings. And then once you open up, and then you need to find and locate this network and sharing centers, and then click. And then once you open up here at network and sharing center at left side navigation pane, and then you need now to select this change advanced sharing settings, and then click. And then on all right side, you can see this change sharing options for different network profiles. And then here at network discovery, so all you have to do is to select only this turn on network discovery. So check the circles in the next step, and then you need to click this save changes. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix system error 6118 has occurred in command prompt. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.